Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we have a groundbreaking story to discuss. Former President Donald Trump has just pleaded not guilty to 34 criminal charges, marking the first time in U.S. history that a former president has faced criminal charges. We'll be diving deep into the details of the case, reactions from various individuals, and potential outcomes. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on this developing story. To give you some context, Trump is currently in a Manhattan criminal courthouse, where he has been indicted on 34 criminal charges. These charges include multiple counts of falsifying business records. We've got live footage from the courthouse, where we're eagerly waiting to see if Trump will address the media upon leaving. This is the context the indictment has been served. Donald Trump is in court, the first time a former president has faced criminal charges. You're looking at live pictures of the 15th floor of the criminal courthouse in Manhattan. The indictment has been read to the former president. He has just pleaded not guilty to the charges that he is facing. Donald Trump still in the courtroom. The doorway just to the right of the police officer in your picture. The speculation is that he might say something as he comes out of courts, and of course we will stay on these pictures and bring you any reaction as and when they exit the court. Also tonight we're expecting the district attorney Alvin Bragg to set out the indictment in full. Donald Trump, we know, is due to go back to Mar-a-Lago, so we'll have eyes glued on the plane Trump Force One as it's known, which is on standby at LaGuardia Airport. And tonight we have a top panel for you as well. With us tonight is Brian Lanza, a former communications director for the Trump transition team. Miriam Marsh, the Democratic strategist. Nada Torfik is also outside of the courthouse. She's going to bring us instant reaction to that. And also tonight we are also going to hear from the state attorney for Palm Beach County, Dave Ehrenberg, who is with us, standing by as well. But we're going to stay with these pictures and bring in Nada Torfik, who is outside the courthouse. And Nada, let's just set the scene for our viewers tonight. To the president, the former president, still in the custody of the D-Data, so he's not free to go. He has been fingerprinted. There is a rap sheet. So beyond the reasonable accommodations that the DA's office has made for him, he is being treated to all intents and purposes like any other ordinary person. When he came here to district attorney's office, he waved briefly to the crowd and went in, and then that marked his formal arrest, his voluntary surrender. As you mentioned, he was fingerprinting, though there were a few accommodations that were made, his legal team arguing that a mugshot didn't need to be taken because he is one of the most famous faces on earth, that he didn't have to be handcuffed because he is being escorted by federal agents, and we saw him being escorted there by U.S. Marshals as well. So he is now in the Honda floor of the building behind me, the criminal courthouse. His arraignment is underway. We saw, in fact, the Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg going into the courtroom, so it's not uncommon, even though his prosecutors will be trying this case, it's not uncommon for such high-profile cases for the district attorney to make a personal appearance. So we saw him there in the front row on the prosecution side to oversee and see for himself the proceedings. Donald Trump media were able to get just a few photographs. The judge allowed that concession, a few still photographs at the beginning of the hearing, and he looked toward the cameras but remained expressionless. He chose not to address cameras going into the courtroom, so very much now waiting to see that he has pleaded not guilty to those 34 cows felony charges of falsifying business records. So Christian, we're waiting to see now if he will choose to address the Cameras when he leaves the courtroom on the 15th floor of the building behind me. Or if you will wait until he gets back to Mar-a-Lago for that. That's all for now, but we'll be keeping a close eye on this historic case as it unfolds. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and have notifications turned on, so you don't miss any updates on this story. Let us know your thoughts on these unprecedented criminal charges against a former president in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.